Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1967 Chevy Camaro. This is definitely what you call a super sleeper, seeing as it's not only the first year of the Camaro, but just the way this car is in general, starting off with its mountain green exterior paint job, which is the matching paint code for the firewall tag as it was back in 1967. Other than that, it's got the baby moon style wheels on it, spoiler in the back. I believe they called it the bumblebee stripe going around the front end. Also has the hideaway headlights for the RS edition. Going into the interior, you got the automatic shifter on the floor with the 3 gauges on it, very nice to have. You got the 3-spoke wooden wheel here. Late model cassette 2-knob radio, very nice to have too. But one of the best things to have is that tachometer right there on the right. As you know, a lot of Camaros, when they first came out, they only had the gas gauge. So you're really lucky if you had that tach included there. But the best part about this car is the mean 427 sitting under the hood. And of course, we got all these cars right there. It doesn't mean we can't test it out. Very mean, but very clean. Let's give it a little bit of a brake test there too. Oh gosh, of course, we have a school bus approaching us right now. But of course, it can never beat the true style of Chevy. Muscle cars are the best, but on note, Camaro is definitely one of the best. But as for now, we're gonna get it turned around and up on the lift. So please stay tuned to see you underneath.